And we're back.
And it's super early. It is 4:30 in the morning and we are on our way to Batuu.
Wow.
I gotta know, when can we do this again?
We are here at the boardwalk for our VIP tour pickup. No, your eyes are not deceiving you. It is dark. It's 4 a.m., not 10 p.m. We're not starting a vlog at night. You may ask why we're picking up here at the boardwalk. The best thing to do with VIP tours is to pick up actually inside of the park. But because of the security delays, we didn't want to have to wait to get into the park. So if you're on a VIP tour, they actually take you in the back entrance through back security, and we would get into the park much quicker. So let's go along and learn what a Disney VIP tour is, and especially a Disney VIP tour of Batuu. They actually had breakfast going for us this morning. Though we didn't eat because it's way too early for food. All right, and our group came in the VIP entrance over here by Lightning McQueen's Experience.
No bag lines.
No bag lines. We had a bag check at the van entrance, backstage, but
we're VIP today.
look at this. Oh yeah, VIP today.
VIP, yeah.
And welcome to Hollywood Studios with no one here. Good morning. So let's see who's going to take the opportunity at 6 a.m. These guys are taking the opportunity at 6 a.m. to get some rock and roller coaster time. Got some folks over here getting some Tower of Terror time. We're going to go check out the merch because they got some opening day merch over here. When do you see that? And that.
Alright, well everybody else is on the rides. We're waiting in the merchandise line. So we'll see how long it ends up being. The line's moving pretty fast. So I think we're limited to 2 items. We'll see what the scoop is when we get in there. But definitely have to get something from opening day. Alright, we're almost to the front of the line. This is the merchandise that's available. You are limited to 2 of the limited release items. So I think we're gonna get a couple pins and probably these pass holder shirts down here.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
I've never come in standby entrance, so how often have you seen this before? You see that. No cars. Oh, there we are. But Rock and Roller Coaster, they weren't even doing the pre-show. You just walked right on through the queue area and onto the roller coaster. And they were basically empty roller coasters going around. And then Hollywood Tower of Terror, they actually did have you watch the show, but just basically another walk right on. So yeah, pretty amazing time to come to Hollywood Studios here at 6 a.m. if you're not wanting to wait in line for Galaxy's Edge. All right, so this is the front of the merchandise queue line.
It's only about like maybe half an hour.
Half hour wait? Yeah. So this is the annual pass holder exclusive, one of them, opening day, Weird for Landing. So there's a couple special annual pass holder pins for Galaxy's Edge opening. They don't actually say pass holder on them, but they're still pretty darn cool. And they also say the date, landing, 2019.
This is the limited release jumbo pin.
Jumbo pin.
Those
Only
are
$1,000.
$65 though.
Only 1,000 of them issued.
It's cool.
That is cool.
I don't know if it's $65.
They're doing a fantastic job this morning, keeping the lines queued up and moving.
How are we doing today?
And look at how quiet Toy Story Land is. Again, folks, the sun is still not up. So, yeah, we are going crazy. Alright, so even at 6:53 in the morning, on the opening of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, there's a 60-minute wait for Slinky Dog. Much better waiting in the dawn than it is at noon.
Alright, we're about to get on Slinky Dog. 7:01 is sunrise at 7 o'clock, so we're gonna get sunrise on Batuu. Only one sun.
Only one sun.
But it'll be sunrise.
Yeah. I know. This is Wally's favorite part. Sunrise on Batuu. All right, so sun has risen on Batuu. We're headed that way. We're not going to Tatooine today. Oh no. Today is not a Tatooine kind of day. And the VIP entrance to Black Spire Outpost on the planet of Batuu. Thank you. All right, so it looks like the line to Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run MFSR is a little long. It's here. Looks like it goes back that way. And we saw the back side of it over in Toy Story Land.
And here we go.
But because of Kara, we can just walk past. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Batuu. Let's go check out the marketplace. There's something familiar up there. And here's the front of the line for Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run.
Life size.
Oh, Chewie still can't get it started. So there is a single rider line. Standby queue is about 300 minutes right now. They said the single rider line is about an hour.
That's a good way to get a data pad wiped. We'll be watching you.
Yeah. And on this planet, they serve blue and green milk.
Yes. All right, so here we are, we're waiting for blue milk. And I am logged into the Play Disney Parks app, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this data pad here. So I've got my tools, jobs, the map, my profile. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick a job. And this is the jobs board. So I can take a job.
Let's try it.
Oh, no, you're good. Go for it. We're all testing it out here. So let's see, outpost control. I'm gonna go ahead and accept this. Okay. Word on the street is that First Order has been installing surveillance all over the outpost, and the Resistance has been trying to stop them. It seems like you're vying over control over the outpost. You can slice the panels around the outpost using the hack tool on the data pad. Whichever faction controls the majority of the door panels controls the outpost. All right, let's do it. And there we go. So I'm gonna go hack this guy.
And now let's go ahead and hack. Now to do it, you see how he's giving you? You're just going to connect those two. So with your finger, you're going to connect. There you go, just like that.
It's transmitting.
Hear it?
And there we go, access granted.
Access granted.
Now I can see my data here. There we go. Awesome. Look at that. That's awesome.
But you know where
all right, there we go. I am a novice slicer. All right, hacked my first control panel.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Apparently, the green with tequila is a
hard no.
Hard no.
Yeah.
The regular green is also
A hard no.
yeah.
Okay. All right.
I don't know how long it'll take.
Benefit of Kirk and Kara is this right here. There's the standby line. Again, remember it goes all the way out. But we're going right up the middle, right up the trail.
Well, you know, I had a bad feeling about that last group, but this is the group I've been waiting for, yes! Come in! I have an opportunity for you all that is very dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would set my friends to danger? You insult my honor, and believe me, I have very little honor to insult.
What are the engines blow up here?
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Yes. Hello. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Too much have I find for the friends. As Harry, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance and I get those profits. What? The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go. So, bye-bye. We will go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better we work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it.
Do it. Even R2 is excited.
All right, we're on board the Falcon. Here we go. Yeah, look at that. Well, looks like Chewie's done a halfway decent job putting it back together.
Welcome, right this way, my friends. Come closer, come closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium.
Coaxium?
You play the back. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you are hold that precious cargo. Now get the move on and know that I have complete faith in you.
Okay, so are we crashing it or are we winning it?
We're winning it, baby.
Okay, because if we crash it, this place like gets destroyed. Okay, all right. Whoa. Whoa.
Hondo, hit those flashing buttons as they come up. There you go. Good run.
Oh, we're going!
Hit your flashing button.
How do I know when I can do that?
You better be faster or you get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly. Forward to fly out. Weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Now let's go get that glass out. Make the jump to light speed. Fire! Hey. Yes! Yes! Keep shooting! I'm shooting! To us. Take evasive action!
I gotta push all these buttons! Woo! Woo! Push the buttons, push the buttons!
There it is! After that thing! Engineers, fire the harpoon! Now guys, shoot the cargo!
Oh! I don't think that was supposed to happen.
My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. engineers. Fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. The cargo's ready. Repeat shooting. Woo! Good job, my friend. Yes. We got the Croatia. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship. That's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. Yes. A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Let's panic. Hit the boosters. Boost.
Oh boy.
Let's get out of here. Your hyperdrivers failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chewie's right. We cannot let them follow us back to the resistance. You did it. Watch out! That's going to be bad.
That wasn't good.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance.
Yeah!
You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud.
Mark, arms up.
Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
88. Yeah, that's not bad at all.
Man, that was a workout.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. R5, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing. Well, keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another Rathdar loose in here. I am not cleaning that up.
Oh, not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. The damage is not too bad. That was Smuggler's Run. That was pretty